Cat Noir, aka Adrian Brancis.
Dedicating my final live stream to one very special
Woman. Ladybug.
No.
Cat Noir.
Wait, if I can't rule,
Paris, France.
I might as well save it for the one and only person who ever cared about me. Don't do this,
Cat Noir.
please.
Milady.
You were more than a sycophant to me. You were a sickle friend. I'll miss your.
Valentine's Day chocolates that you made yourself.
I love the way you make them. I guess there's only one thing left to say.
Meow, meow, meow.
It's been a real.
Nice life you spent with me, Ladybug.
Thanks for nothing.
Boss Toddler.
Look!
Jim and Cat Noir.
They sacrificed themselves to save everyone.